Hi viewers, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to mount a camera on a tripod, whether you're using a mirrorless camera or a DSLR camera. But this is a mirrorless camera. This is Sony FX30 cinema line. So when you want to mount your camera on a tripod, first of all you need to stretch the tripod. I don't know the diameter you want, depending on the diameter you want, but this is full stretch of the tripod. Then secondly, you must have mounted your lens on the camera and adjusted whatever you need to here. So I'm going to remove this. Come close. You can see this lock here. So I'll just free it, then bring this out. Some people have the habit of leaving this in and they'll come and be screwing the camera like this. That is wrong. Don't do that. If you do this, you spoil this guy here and you wear this bolt here. Right, so what you do is you remove this guy first, then bring it to the camera and mount it. If you have a faster way of doing this, you can drop it in the comments. So I'll screw this in. I'll screw this in. So the lens I'm using is Sigma for Sony f2.8 18 to 50 mm, and if you mount this here, you're going to see the reason why I have to put this vertical and not like this. So if I mount it on this tripod, look at what I'm doing. Put this side, open this lock. You can see there's a part that is semicircled, that has this semicircled shape, and this flat part. So you have to draw this flat part like this, so that this guy can go in and sit in properly. In fact, most tripods work on this mechanism. So you put this like this, then you draw it in, then you close this. So you can see it has stayed firmly in place. And the reason why I had to put that guy vertical, like I said, is so that I can be able to use this handle. If I had put it the other way around, this camera would have fixed this side or this side. So this is it here, and that is it for today, guys. This is how you mount a camera properly on a tripod. Thank you for watching. Click that subscribe button, press the like button. Please like this video and always share. See you next time.